Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Brother T820DW printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome and here type Brother DCP-T820DW printer driver and go to the first link. First link is from the support.brother.com official website of our printer. Open the first link. Here we find download and our printer model number or printer name. Open that link. Our Brother official website is open. In OS means operating system, select Windows. In operating system OS version, select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the OK. It's redirect you to the another web page of the Brother. After that, scroll down. Here we find two drivers or IMV full software package or drivers. I prefer to go to the driver, so I go to here printer driver and scanner driver for USB and click on this driver, printer driver and scanner driver for USB, and it's redirect me to the another page. Click on agree to download, click on that, and it's redirect to another page and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file and we are going to unzip it. There are two ways: double click on it or right click on it or run as administrator. Both are same. Wait for a few seconds, click on the yes and unzip process is start. It's take few seconds. Unzip is done. Click on OK. Here we find newly created folder GDI. Double click on it and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find many options in add a printer. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want and click on the next. Here we find Havoc. Click on Havoc. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find GDI. Double click on this folder GDI. Here we find some files. Select any file that you want. I select this file. You can select any that file. All files contain same printer driver. Click on OK. Open. Click on OK. Here we find many options. Select our printer Brother DCP-T820DW printer and click on the next. Give any name. I go with the same name, Brother DCP-T820DW. You can give any name and click on the next. It's install our printer in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds to properly install this printer driver on our PC or laptop. It takes few seconds or few minutes depending on the speed of our PC or laptop. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, if you find your printer name Brother DCP-T820 DCP-T820DW printer, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.